Hello everyone, welcome back to Clat Whispers channel, and this video is going to be your ultimate guide for entire SLAT because I'm going to tell you section wise how the questions are going to be asked and what exactly is the way to solve it. So everything you're going to get in this video regarding SLAT. Okay, so just give me 2 minutes so I can explain you what SLAT exactly is. Symbiosis Law Admission Test is a paper which you have to give majorly for 4 universities. That is Symbiosis Law School Pune, Symbiosis Law School Noida, Symbiosis Law School Hyderabad, and Symbiosis Law School Nagpur. So SLAT is a paper which is held in CBD, that is computer based mode. You don't have to fill any OMR sheets for that. So that is one reason that you'll have to practice काफ़ी सारे mocks. Because CBD mode पे you won't have that practice. अभी तक OMRs भरते आ रहे होगे for CLAT and ALET. SLAT को you'll have to give on computer, so उसके accordingly practice करते ना, because काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती है like mark for review and next, so accordingly practice that. One thing that could be pointed out on the day of exam is that you might, because many centers they don't allow watches. मुझे नहीं पता your center would allow or not, but many centers don't, and that's fine. You don't need to wear a watch because while you're giving the paper, so corner में right में you'll be getting that अपना time clock. Okay, now coming to subject wise, section wise, what is going to be asked in what section, and last time how easy or hard it was. Coming to English में you guys would either be given 3 paragraphs and asked 4 questions per paragraph, because in total there are going to be 12 questions per section. Total 60 questions होंगे and there are 5 sections. Now SLAT is all about you giving the paper with accuracy and in speed, because 60 questions and 60 minutes, you'll have 1 hour to solve. So you have to be very fast and very accurate. The best part is that there's no negative marking. Okay, now I'll start with section wise. So English में there are 3 paragraphs and 4 questions per paragraph, or there could be 4 paragraphs and 3 questions per paragraph. Last time दोनों combination आया था. SLAT 1 जो हुआ था, because SLAT is held on 2 dates, तो SLAT 1 जब हुआ था तो उसमें 3 paragraphs और 4 questions per para आए थे, and vice versa happened on the second date of SLAT. किस तरह के questions आते हैं from English section? पैराग्राफ से एंटोनिम्स बोल देंगे निकालने को, सिनोनिम्स बोलने को निकाल देंगे, टोन ऑफ द ऑथर पूछ लेंगे, या मोस्टली दैट हैपेंस, या सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर अ वर्ड. एंड जो बेसिक क्वेश्चंस होते हैं लाइक विद रेफरेंस टू द पैरा वो पूछ लिए जाएंगे. ओके, नाउ द ट्रिकी पार्ट, हाउ यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट द इंग्लिश सेक्शन. English section, you first have to read the questions and then the paragraph, so you know what you're looking for exactly, and that also saves on to your time. So always first go through the questions of the first para and then look at the paragraph. That would save on to your time. Now, last year English paper for both the SLAT was very easy, especially if you've been preparing for CLAT. It's going to be very easy for you. Okay, next section is general knowledge and current affairs. Again, 12 questions would be asked. But the catch here is, like CLAT में तुम लोगों के पास you guys had a paragraph, right? So if you are not able to figure out something, तो you could get a hint from the paragraph and you could refer to it. But यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे it's more like the ALET का general knowledge section. So if you've given ALET, your GK part would already be sharpened. So you would be able to attempt SLAT का. If not, I would suggest GK today and CLAT Whispers के notes. You can DM us on Instagram or just comment in the YouTube का comment box. Now, ALET के questions, if you would have seen, so they are one-liner questions. That means कि you don't have any paragraph like CLAT to refer to. So if you know it, you know it. If you don't, move on after marking. It's because, you know, this paper does not has any negative marking. So there is no point you missing on that and then moving to the next. कर लो, mark anything and move on. Also, because general knowledge है and there is no hint that you would be getting here, use elimination technique. कोई भी बहुत extreme option है हटा दो. Only trick I can give for this section is कि solve the entire section within 3 minutes. Because you see, अगर 60 minutes का SLAT का पूरा paper and you have 60 questions, so that means 1 question per minute. But इसमें मान के चलो that you will be taking 4 questions per minute general knowledge के लिए. So that is 1 minute 4 questions, तो 12 questions आपके 3 minutes के अंदर अंदर हो जाने चाहिए. लास्ट ईयर का जो GK था that was moderate to tough, मतलब it wasn't very hard but थोड़ा सा था. Like you can expect questions like इस बार G20 कहाँ पे हुआ था. Those sort of questions are going to be asked. Next is the logical reasoning section. Again 12 questions would be there, and this section would again resemble the logical reasoning section of अपना ALET. So you can expect questions from blood relations, directions, logisms, number series, एंड या मेजरली इनके अराउंड ही होंगे, एंड बाकी एक के दो के आपके वो स्ट्रेंथनिंग एंड वीकनिंग आ जाएंगे. तो जैसे क्लैट में होता था दैट 4-5 लाइन्स का पैराग्राफ आ रहा है, देन लंबे लंबे स्ट्रेंथनिंग वीकनिंग आ रहे हैं. इसमें इट्स गोइंग टू बी द सेम बट बहुत छोटा होता है. लाइक आपको 2 लाइनें दे दी एंड फिर बोला स्ट्रेंथनिंग कौन सी स्ट्रेंथन करिए, कौन सी वीकन करिए. सो इट्स वेरी स्मॉल बट इट्स अ मिनिएचर वर्जन ऑफ योर क्लैट का स्ट्रेंथनिंग एंड वीकनिंग. एंड देन रेयर है बट आने को आ सकते हैं रीअरेंजिंग द सेंटेंसेस. And last year the paper was moderate. See, if you are well versed with your ALET ka, then it would be easy for you. मेरे लिए it was easy. But if you're a person who has given CLAT and who's in preparing for ALET, then you have to go through them because otherwise आपके लिए paper would be moderate and chances are there that you would lose on to some points. Okay, next is your analytical reasoning where you would be expecting questions from linear equations, ratio and proportion, percentage, average, possibilities. Last time जो था the paper was very hard अपना analytical reasoning का. So again, don't waste your time on being stuck to one question और उसी को लगे हुए solve करने में. Just move on. नहीं हो रहे mark anything, move on, mark for review कर दो so that if you have time left. तो mark for review is basically when once you mark for review ना तो 2 options होते हैं. Either to mark for review जिसमें you mark it and then move on to the next, and एक होता है कि आपने mark कुछ भी नहीं करे but you're moving on to the next but you know that you have to come back. That's why I'm saying mocks practice कर लेना. If you have marked it and then you have also marked it for review and then you're going to the next, तो while your test is being submitted last में वो आंसर सबमिट हो जाएगा. बट इफ यू ओनली मार्क्ड इट फॉर रिव्यू एंड द आंसर हैज नॉट बीन मार्क्ड, तो योर लॉस. देन जब सबमिट होगा तो योर आंसर वोंट बी देयर मार्क. तो कुछ भी मार्क करो एंड देन मार्क फॉर रिव्यू करके आगे हो. Yeah, so I was talking about analytical reasoning. I've told you the topics. The only tip and trick for this is that don't waste time on one question. Use elimination अगर काम आता है तो, and then just go on to the next question after marking something. अच्छा, last time what happened was कि जो sample paper था for analytical reasoning, that was very very easy because आप 6 questions maths के थे, that was also easy, and then आपके बाकी के 6 questions were very similar to logical reasoning. तो we were expecting कि sample paper की वजह से, because 3 sample papers were released and तीनों में it was very easy. But when the real paper came, analytical was very tough and that was the major part where people lose on to marks. So just take care of that. Okay, now to the main section, that is of legal reasoning. What to expect from it? Because definitely it's going to be different from CLAT. You can expect legal GK, any recent case laws जो अभी आए थे for 2025 और even landmark cases जो हमारे रह चुके हैं. Then when I talk about legal GK, तो वहाँ पे your constitution articles could be asked, fundamental duties, fundamental rights, all this could be asked. Then maxims also come, and maxims में you have to use eliminations because देख के भी पता चल जाता है. पता है the Latin term is very similar to English के term, मतलब वो देखकर आपको पता चल जाएगा. तो it's like injuria, that basically means injury, right? तो वो देखकर पता चल रहा है. So eliminations use करना for maxims. Legal GK में तो if you know, if you don't, move on after marking. Okay, now this is something that you guys need to realize. Legal reasoning में there would be principle based questions. There would be 2 lines probably जो आपको दी जाएगी of the principle. 2 lines का fact होगा, बहुत छोटे छोटे होते हैं. It's not like that. 2 लाइन में principle, 2 लाइन में facts, and आपको 4 options दी जाएगी. Now could be कि there would be something that you would have studied for CLAT. You don't need to apply it here. वो इट्स दैट कि ठीक है एक बार के लिए सही भी होगा. वाइकेरियस लाइबिलिटी पढ़ी है, हाँ ठीक है वो भी यहाँ पे लग रही है. बेल भी नहीं पढ़े, ठीक है यहाँ पे लग रहा है. बट द थिंग इज कि यहाँ पे जब स्लैट देता है तो दे आर सो श्योर अबाउट इट कि जो प्रिंसिपल दिए, फिर से अगर उनका प्रिंसिपल गलत भी हो ना, व्हेन दे आर गिविंग यू द फैक्ट्स, तो योर आंसर शुड अलाइन विद देयर फैक्ट्स एंड देयर प्रिंसिपल. फिर यू कांट अप्लाई इधर उधर की नॉलेज फॉर लीगल रीजनिंग. सो डू नॉट डू दैट मिस्टेक. सिर्फ प्रिंसिपल पढ़ने, फैक्ट पढ़ने, अपनी खुद का ज्ञान नहीं लगाना आपको. ओके, टॉकिंग अबाउट लास्ट टाइम का लीगल सेक्शन कैसा था स्लैट में. दोनों पेपर्स में इजी था बट वो मॉडरेट भी बन सकता है अगर आपका लीगल जीके ज़्यादा आ गया. टिल द टाइम इट इज़ प्रिंसिपल एंड फैक्ट बेस्ड तो ईजी ही रहेगा. सो दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माई साइड एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो से कि chill होके दो पेपर, it's not that tough. Last time also this happened and I think probably it's happening this time as well. SLAT would be releasing SLAT paper patterns, and last time उन्होंने 3 किए थे. I don't know how many are they planning to do this time, but एक बार देख लेना, डेफिनेटली गो अटेम्प्टेड बिकॉज ऑल इंडिया रैंकिंग निकलती है. अगर स्लैट नहीं निकालता है, फॉर हेवन सेक कहीं से भी जस्ट बाय द स्लैट पेपर्स एंड प्रैक्टिस, बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट प्रैक्टिस यू वोंट बी एबल टू अडेप्ट योर सेल्फ टू दी CBD मोड. तुम्हें पता चलना चाहिए कि मार्क फॉर रिव्यू क्या है, टाइम तुम्हारा कहाँ पे शो रहा है, सो यू विल गेट टू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट स्लैट. So this was all about SLAT, and if you guys need any help, Practice Quiz is always here to help you. You can drop it in the comment box or reach us on Instagram, and we are also there on Telegram. So that was all the very best. Happy learning.